Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve error code 24. This device is not present in Windows 10 computer. So the cause of this error code 24 include corrupted or outdated driver and problem with hardware. And then I'll show you possible solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reinstall and update the driver. And how to do that? So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type device manager. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at device manager, and the next step, then you need to select or click those affected device. So for examples, we have this affected device here at mice and other pointing device. So click this arrow to expand. And then you need now to uninstall those driver. So on how to uninstall driver, so select and then right click. And then you can see this uninstall device, and then you need to tap this. Then after uninstall device, and then you need to close device manager, and then you need to restart your PC. So click here at start button, and then you need to click this restart. So after restarting your PC, and then go back again here at device manager, and next step, then we need now to update the driver. So here at mice and other pointing device, and then you need now to update those drivers. On how to update driver, so select and then right click again. And then you need now to tap or click this update driver. And then we have two options in updating drivers. So we have search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then for this tutorial, then I will advise to select the search automatically for drivers and then click. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after here at device manager, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the device troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then you need to copy or paste this command keyword msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic. So device diagnostic, that is one word. And then you need to use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy that command. And then you need to paste, and here use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B. And then you need to press enter. And then pop up this hardware and devices. So troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. So this is the hardware and devices to fix problems about this device and hardware. So all you have to do is you can see this advanced option settings here. Then you need to click, and then you can see this apply repairs automatically. Then you need to check this box, and then you need to tap or click this next. And then we will wait to complete the detecting problems for scanning and hardware for this device. Okay, so this is the scanning result. So device install setting here. So you can see now these two options pop up notifications here that you need to follow. So we have this enable or leave disabled. So for example, we need to click or tap this enabled, and then you need to follow the screen instruction to fix this error. So after completing here at hardware and device, and then we need to close and close here as CMD. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and the next step, then you need to type on enter this command keyword sfc space / scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now, that's why we will perform this command because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And then verifications 100% complete. And then we need to close the CMD and we need to restart. So here at the power button, then click and then click this and restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.